Hi, I'm Jason Gobler, Sales Manager for Advantage Metal Powders here in Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. Advantage Metal Powders is a blending facility primarily for the powdered metal industry. Advantage Metal Powders is an ISO 9001-2008 accredited blending facility. Here at Advantage Metal Powders we have a state-of-the-art laboratory. In the laboratory here is what we're going to talk about today. All the testing that gets done in the laboratory are done to the standard 35 MPIF specs. Once the blend is made by the guys out in production, they bring in a couple pound sample of the mix with the lot number on the container. They also bring in the blend sheet, which is the work instructions that it took to make that blend. The lab techs take that powder mix and they do a couple things with the powder. The things that they do with the powder is they check the apparent density and flow. They also use the LECO carbon analyzer to determine the amount of sulfur and carbon. We have a furnace that they determine the percent of lubricant in the material. And they also do a sieve analysis with the powder. After that is done, they weigh out around 17.5 grams of material, 6 different amounts of that weight. They then use that weight and put it in our die, which has a bottom punch and a top punch, and they use our Tenius Olson here to press that powder into a transverse rupture bar. They take 3 of these transverse rupture bars and they go and put it into our green strength tester and test the powder for green strength. They take the other 3 bars and they put them through our sintering furnace. Our sintering furnace sinters the bars at 2050 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 25 minutes in a controlled atmosphere. After those bars are sintered, they bring the bars back in here. They measure the bars for dimensional change. They then take the bars and check them with the hardness tester for, depending on the composition of the mix, HRF, HRB, or HRC scale. After checking the hardness, they take the bars and put them into our transverse rupture fixture and break the bars with our Tenius Olson. That gives us our transverse rupture. Once the bars are broken, they take a sintered bar and they put it into our spectrometer. The spectrometer gives us a reading of what that blend is made of. It'll give us the copper, the nickel, the percent iron, percent carbon, manganese, moly, everything that's in that mix. It gives us a printout of what's in that blend. After we take and do all the testing for every lot of powder here at Advantage Metal Powders, we take that information and put it on our certificate of analysis. All this testing needs done and the certificate of analysis needs done before the powder can ship. After that's all done, we don't then just take the sample of powder left over and throw it away. We put it into a container that we keep for 1 year. Every mix we make, whether it's 1 pound, 5 pounds, or 45,000 pounds, we keep 2 pounds of that mix for 1 year. If you would like to discuss anything in more detail, you can contact me at this number or my email address, or you can check out Advantage Metal Powders on the web at advantagempi.com. Thank you.